friends, welcome back to the channel Ruchi's Teaching. This is Ruchi here. Okay, in this video I'm going to explain about using new line, that is \n character in C language. So in the C language, in our last class we have learned about C library and IDE, that is Integrated Development Environment. So in this video I'm going to explain about the \n character, how you will use this \n character in C language. Okay, that usage, how you will use, I will explain you. Okay, all syntax and all, how you have to use and for what purpose you will use \n. Okay, all those things I'm going to explain. Okay, before I start my video, I would like to say that if you are new to the video or if you are newly watching this channel or video, please subscribe the channel, support the channel, and if you, after watching it, if you like it, please give a like to it and share to your friends. Okay, let's enter into the video. Now I said \n. What is this? Now this is a character which is used in C language. What is the purpose of it? Actually, why we use it? Now, you know, there is a printf function. What is the use of this function? Now, printf function is used to print the data on screen. Okay, on screen, to print the data you will be using this function. Now when you are printing some data, you require some, like suppose you have printed data from here to here and you want to print the data in next line. You want to start the data, printing of data from the next line, from here, not from here. So at this moment, to enter the cursor to this position, first it will print this from here to here, over. Now the cursor should come to the next line. To get the cursor to the next line, you have like this, again it should come here. Now over, printing over, again the cursor blinks here. This cursor should come to the next line, again it should start from here. So like this it should happen. So the cursor should coming to the next line is done with \n. This is the new line character. Okay, so with this \n new line character, you can print the data in the next line. I will show you how to print the data. Okay, okay, now suppose I want to print data like this. How are you? Welcome. And hello world. Right? Now you are using these three statements. This is first statement, second statement, third, or first sentence, second sentence, third sentence. Now you want to print the data like this. Okay. For this, what you have to do is, I will write and show the syntax, how you will print this on the screen. Now printf, open the braces, double quotes, how are you, over, close it. Now next, for welcome I am writing printf, open braces, welcome, close it. Okay, now when you write like this, printf, two sentences, the output of this, do you think will it comes like this? No, it will not come. The output for this is like this. How are you? Over the moment you have completed the U, this starts. Okay, and if you write more like this, printf hello world. Okay, if you write this like this, the moment you complete come, welcome, the hello world starts. Okay, your printf function is printing the data like this. Is this correct? You want to print the data like this, but you are getting like this. So at this moment what you have to do is, in this printf functions, you have to get the data like this, and not like this. If you write like this, the data will come like this, or the data is printed like this. If you want the data to print like this, you have to give /n here, and here also /n/n. Okay, understood? Now if you give printf /n, how are you? What it will do? It will print like this. How are you? Over. Now the cursor starts blinking here. For this function, I am telling how it comes. It will see the moment the compiler sees the /n, it will print the sentence here, and the cursor starts blinking here. After that, the compiler, when comes to the second printf function, it sees again the /n. The compiler jumps here to the next line. This compiler, the compiler sees the /n in second statement, printf statement, and it will comes here, and it will print. The moment it sees the /n, it jumps to the next line, and it will print this welcome. And after that, again the cursor blinks here, and the compiler, when comes to the next third statement, when it sees this /n, the cursor again jumps from here to here, and it will print the hello world. Okay, so this happens like this. If you give /n /n in front of the statement, in printf statement, in front of the data, you will print the data like this. Suppose if you want the data after printing first statement, if you want the one if you want to skip one line, that means one whole sentence should be blank, and then it should come to the next line. If you want to print like that, this will print in this way. Now suppose if you give one more /n here, what happens? I will tell you. Okay, one more /n, you will get the data in this format. What happens? I will tell you. Now compiler starts compiling, it runs. When compiler comes to this position, it will see /n, and it will come to the next line, and it will print the how are you. Then what happens? The cursor starts blinking here, and the moment it sees this, the moment it executes this /n, the cursor leaves one sentence and comes to next one. Okay, it sees this and comes to next one. there also actually what happens when the cursor comes here, when the cursor, it will print the how are you, and the cursor is executing this statement, this new line character. When it comes to this, the cursor comes from here to here. Okay, the cursor comes from here to here, and what happens after coming here, it goes to the next printf statement, and here if it sees this new line character again, what happens, this cursor again it jumps to next line. Okay, it jumps to next line, and then it will print this. After printing, it will see the cursor will see this \n, and what happens, the cursor will jump here and it will stay here. After coming here, then next it goes to the third statement. Here what happens, again it will see the \n, and then again from here to here it jumps again. So that's why you will get one new line in between these sentences. Okay, then it will print this, and after completing this hello world, the cursor will blink here. The moment it completes hello world, it will see this \n, and the cursor automatically jumps here, and it will stay in this line. Okay, so this is how your \n works. Okay, in this way your program is printing. Your program can print the lines. You can skip the line and you can make the sentence to come in next line with by using \n. Okay, or even you can go with this also. Like suppose if you want to print all these things, just now I have printed these things, I have written different printf statements, but you can take only one printf statement and then you can type all the things in one printf statement only by using \n. To print this thing, you can even take one printf statement and you can start typing only in one line. See, first I have given \n, how are you, then what happens, it will print this. See, I will write here \n, cursor is here, it starts printing this, how are you. What happens, the cursor, the compiler comes here, it checks this and it automatically comes to the next line here. Okay, after coming here, after now cursor is here, now what I will do, I will write one more \n. What happens, when I have written one more \n, it comes to this position, and if I say hello world, what happens, it will print hello world. Okay, it will print hello world. What happens after writing this, again if I write /n, what happens, the cursor from here it jumps here. From here it will, again the compiler comes to next statement, next thing. So here if I write once again \n, again this cursor will come to the next sentence, and whatever is written here that will be printed on the console like this. Now again what happens, if I give \n, it checks here and it comes to the next line, the cursor starts blinking here. If I give one more \n, again this cursor comes to the next position. Okay, so like this the cursor is moving because of this \n character. Okay, like this also you can give and close it. So this in one print statement only, in one print statement only you can give you can give the data, you can print the data in different lines by using \n character. Okay, understood? This is how you will be using the n. What is the actually backslash n is used to print data in different lines, that is line by line. Okay, I think you understood this. So if you want to, suppose if you want to write a small, suppose if you want to write in the form of program, you can write like this, hash, I'll write it and show you. Now you can write a program like this, hash include stdio.h, and then just I'm writing the data, I'm writing just a main function. Okay, in this I'm opening the braces, and I will start printing backslash n, how are you? And if you want to go to next, if you want to leave one line, you can give like this, close it. Next, printf, open braces, backslash n, hello world, backslash n, close it. Okay, I'll stop here only. Now like this, if you write, the output will be like this. Okay, how are you? Next, the line comes next, the cursor jumps to the next line, but we have given one more new line character, so it comes to the another, it will skip one line and it will print the hello world. Okay, this is the output for this statement. Okay, so I hope you understood this new line character clearly. So this is the program, you can try in on the system also. Okay, this is the program, you'll be printing the data like line by line. Okay, I hope you understood this. If you like this, please give a like to it, share to your friends and subscribe the channel. Thank you.